Alright guys, today we're tightening my chain. Yeah. Getting my chain tightened. Is it moving too? Back up. What's his dog name?
Vader.
Vader.
Oh, you got the cam.
Back up, Vader. Yeah.
So
this is Vader, guys.
See how this is all the way out?
Yeah. You're at the... You're all the way in. You can come back a couple clicks, because you're at the last click, no? You can come back a click or two.
Yeah. Well, I just gotta get this side.
Where's it going? Is it moving back?
Yeah.
What about this side? Can we turn this on?
Yeah, go,
What's this?
It seemed like it was already tight.
Which way?
Up
or down?
Down. Let me loosen that one more.
Okay, it's moving. See that moving, guys? Look at that. It's moving. It's moving.
There it goes. Try it again. Yep.
Are we pulling it back too, or?
I thought I seen it moving.
Well, we're almost back to click. Okay. We are. Where are you on that side?
I'm pretty far back.